Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Southern with Charm. I'm Christy. I am going to share with you in today's video this huge Black Friday shopping haul. I shopped for 3 days and got some amazing deals, so I want to share everything with you. There's a lot of items, so I might split this up into 2 different videos. I'll just kind of see how it goes as I get through it. But I want to start off by telling you that I budget for all of these items starting at the beginning of the year, and if there's interest in me doing a video for how I budget as a single mom, I will do that maybe in a couple of weeks. Just let me know if that's something that you would like to see. So I start putting money aside for all of these items throughout the year, and what I do is I buy for myself and I also buy for my daughter. I usually get all of her Christmas items either on Black Friday or Cyber Monday, which is what I have done this year. I only got a few of her items for Black Friday, and the other items I ordered yesterday, which was Cyber Monday, and I'm going to do a video on all of that stuff later because I found some amazing deals online as well. So let me just go ahead and jump right in. The first really big ticket item that I purchased was a Dyson V8 Absolute Stick cordless vacuum cleaner. I've wanted one of these for a really long time, and they are very expensive, so I made sure to save enough money this year to get it. I went with the V8. There were some V6 models that were on sale for about $189, but I wanted the one that had all of the attachments and also the 40 minutes of runtime, which this one has. It came with a tool for carpet and a tool for hardwood. Right now I have this tool on, which is for upholstery or like the inside of your car. It also came with a crevice tool and a dusting tool and one other one. I'm not sure what it's called. I was looking to see if it's on the box. I don't see it. But it came with a lot of different attachments, and the vacuum cleaner was regular priced $4.99, and I got it for $3.79 at Kohl's. And in addition to that, I also got $105 in Kohl's cash that I was able to go back and spend on Saturday. So that was a really big savings for me. And the next place that I shopped was at Walmart, and I got a lot of good items there. One of the items that I got was this Chromebook, and I purchased this for my daughter. Regular price, this was $199, and I got it for $99. And she's using these at school right now, so I thought it would be a really good idea to have this at home for her to use for doing any kind of schoolwork, learning how to use a computer, things like that. She has a tablet, but this is, a little bit different being a laptop. So I got a really good deal on this. Another item that I got from Walmart for $6.98 was this 38-piece Rubbermaid storage set. It's not Tupperware brand, but Tupperware storage set. It came with a ton of different pieces, and it's a little bit different than the one they had on sale last year. There were some extra items in this one, so I went ahead and grabbed it. Let me look on my receipt because I can't remember what the regular price was for that. I think it was a pretty good discount. If I can find my receipt. Well, it doesn't say what the regular price of it was. So moving right along to the next item that I got from Walmart was this Canon printer. I got this for $19, and regular price, this printer is $44. So I saved $25 on this printer. And I also got this for my daughter to go with her Chromebook. She's always wanting to print stuff, and I thought it would just be easier if she had her own printer in her room to print the things that she likes to color or do little activities with. And another item that I got from Walmart for my daughter is the Google Home Mini. It is regular price of $49, and I got it for $25, so I saved $24. A friend of ours has the Echo Dot, and she loves to play with Alexa on the Echo Dot, so I thought that this Google Home Mini would be a really fun thing for her to also have in her room. And another item that I got from Walmart was this 37-inch sound bar. I actually purchased 2 of these. I got one for the living room and I got one for my bedroom. And these were on sale for $29, regular price $48, so I saved $19 a piece on both of these. I've actually tried to get these at Walmart Black Friday for a couple of years now, and in the hustle of trying to get other items, I've missed out on the sound bar. So I was really excited that I was able to get 2 of them this year and able to save so much money on them. Also from Walmart, I got this 2-step folding step stool for only $8. I want to say regular price, it was $14 or $16. I have so many receipts here, so let me see if I can find the one. Okay. Regular price was $13.78, so I saved $5.78 on the step stool, which I went to At Home Store, I think it was Friday, and they had these stools in there for $14. So it was a really decent amount of savings for this, and I'm going to keep this in my kitchen somewhere, probably in my pantry or my storage closet, because I am very short, and the little step stool that I have in there right now is just not tall enough for me to get into some of the top parts of my cabinet, so this is going to be perfect addition for my kitchen. And also from Walmart, I got this waffle maker, and it is the copper waffle maker that is easy to clean, non-stick, so I thought that would be really easy for breakfast for me and my daughter. She loves waffles, and I personally think the homemade waffles are a lot better than the store-bought frozen ones. She's very excited to use this, so am I. It was only $10, and it doesn't say what the original price was or the regular price was on my receipt. I also got this spin pop for the back of my cell phone to help me hold it better. It also pops out and can store earbuds, and it was $2, but I don't see a regular price on this receipt for it. Also, my daughter has asked for a ton of the LOL surprise dolls and surprise toys, so I did pick up 2 of them. I don't believe that either one of these items were on sale for Black Friday, but Walmart was offering special financing if you had a Walmart credit card, and if you spent $150 or more, you got at least 6 months interest-free financing. So even though I had the money saved up for all of my purchases, I just went ahead and used the card just in case I might want to split up my payments and pay it off in 2 months instead of immediately. So I went ahead and grabbed a couple of items to get me over that $150 point. I think I spent $154. So I got these 2 LOL surprise items for her for Christmas. But I actually ended up getting a lot more of them for Cyber Monday because Amazon was having a sale if you spent $50 worth in this particular toy item, which I'm going to do a separate video on that, and I'll explain to you how much everything was and what I got with all of that. And looking around, I thought that was everything that I got from Walmart. I also grabbed these 2 Christmas pillows that are going to look really, really good with my Christmas decor, and these were only $5 a piece. But I think that they were originally $5. I don't think that these were on sale for Black Friday, but I went ahead and picked them up because I need 2 for one of my benches. And I thought they were really cute, and they looked really cute together. So most of my items came from Walmart, and I need to sit down and calculate overall how much money I saved at Walmart. I'll probably add that in the description box below. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video for part 1 right now, and then move into the other items for part 2, which I purchased from At Home Store, Kohl's, Sunglass Hut, and also from Kirkland's. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope that you enjoyed part 1 of this video, and please stay tuned for part 2 so I can share with you the rest of the items that I got in my Black Friday haul.